Now let's work on very beginner expression of mathematics. I define some variables, dim I as integer, dim j as integer. Okay. And by default, if we don't specify any values, actually they have some default value. To show you, I write message box I. You see, by default it is 0. Of course, both have same data type, so both gonna be 0. But I could specify some initial value, I equal 5, j equal 4, and how can I calculate, for example, 5 plus 4? Of course, I could say I plus j and show the result, but the correct way is use the third variable to store it. So I say dim, as an example, c as integer again, and I want to calculate here. I say c equal I plus j, and now I could show the C result. 5 plus 4. The result it is here is stored inside of C, and we're showing that. I could use other operators such as minus. 5 minus 4, it is 1. I could use asterisk as multiply. 5 by 4. And I could use divide, and note that although the result it is decimal, but because we use integer as a C type, it is rounded up. So instead of integer, I could define it as, for example, a single, and now we have the decimal point here. Also note that if I define, for example, C as a single and use multiply, it is fine. 5 by 4, it is 20, and it is fine. But if I set 50 by 40 and define the C as bytes, because it is more than 255, its error gives me the overflow. So you have to correcting the data type, let's say again integer maybe, and everything here it is fine.